1. Press menu button. Step 2. Go to disconnection by pressing arrow down key. Then press enter. Step 3. Choose new disconnection. Then press enter. Enter password 3333 for level 3 to log in. Go to test Modabi arrow down key, then press enter key. Choose zone number that you're going to test, then enter. The test and zonal will let now the chosen zone is under test mode. Double check in the disconnection list. During test mode, external output will not activate, like auto. Shut off door sand fan. Test using infrared inflammable smoke detector tester. All detectors under test mode will flicker the indicating red. Alarm activated if red goes steady. Alarm on main panel into all repeaters. Return to normal operation after testing. Press menu button. Choose disconnection by arrow down key, then press enter. Press the reset button to connect back all disconnected zones. The LED on test and zone goes off. System now is in normal operation. Thank you for watching.